Alright, this is going to be a giveaway video explaining this previous day high sweep, previous day low sweep, previous session sweep targeting the other side. So I put this in every time on the group and it's quite easy. There's a sweep, break of structure, fair value gap, which is your POI. The POI could be fair value gap, order block, breaker block, open close key level, anything at all. So yeah, this is how the system is. Meaning this is your start of the day and this is your start of a new day. Like this is your new day start, this is where your new day starts. Yeah, then this is your previous day high, your previous day low, or previous session high and low. Then the new day starts, takes it out, comes back into the zone, giving this market structure shift or break of structure. Then you measure from here to this point, which you see a little up movement, your premium zone. You will look for your POI, which could be fair value gap, order block, breaker block, open close key level, anything at all you like, or mitigated weak, anything at all. Then you take your entry there and target the low. That is for that. And then this other side is the opposite of it for a buy. The same thing, your start of a new day here. This being your start of a new day here. This is the low and this is the high. Price takes it out, comes back, gives you break of structure, give your POI, you enter, and let's go over it on a real life chart. Currently on NZD CHF chart. I think it happened today. Yeah, let's use this very day's one. So yeah, this is the daily candlestick chart. Let's work with this daily candlestick chart for this very day. So this is my previous day high. This is my previous day high, and this will be my previous day. Sorry about that noise. This is my previous day high, this is my previous day low. So I'll come to 15 minutes, like this, and this is my start of a new day. My new day starts at 17:00 hour, 17:00 hour, because I'm using New York time. Yeah, so let's go. It's just gonna be quick and fast. Don't think that's map happened. Don't think that my map appeared. Sorry about that. Let's check and make sure that map appears. Let's make it visible on the 15 minutes chart. 15 minutes visible. 15 minutes visible. So we'll go back to 15 minutes chart. Sorry about all of that. 15 minutes visible. Just a simple and straightforward system. So yeah, this is the high and this is the low, and this is my start of a new day, 17:00 hour. This particular place here, 17:00 hour. That's my start of a new day. So this is my new day start. This is my high and low. Price takes at my high, comes back into my range. I look for the first break of structure underneath my high, and this being my first break of structure underneath the high. First break of structure underneath the high that was swept, and this is it. So what do I measure my premium and discount using this place here? Fibonacci retracements from here and here, like this. Yeah, and this is my discount and this is my premium. In this particular scenario, I have just order block to use, and this is the order block here. Order block here, the last bullish candle before the expansion. So yeah, I could take from the beginning or the consequent encroachment whatsoever. For example, you want to take from the beginning, it's like this. Here, take an entry, stop loss here, and target low. Simple and straight. That's just how the system works. And this is 5-hour arrow. This is already running 3.8 arrow, and you're good. That's just how it works. Thank you.